Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Math is where math become easy by Aisha Azhar. Today we will discuss about different types of angles. But before coming towards our main topic, I would like to define angles. Angles are formed by two rays having common endpoint. This common endpoint is called vertex of an angle. The starting ray is called initial ray while ending ray is called final ray. The direction of an angle is always taken from initial ray towards the final ray. If this direction is anti-clockwise, we consider it positive, and if it is in clockwise direction, we consider it negative. The negative measure of angles show that the direction is in clockwise direction, while the positive sign shows that the direction is in anti-clockwise direction. Now we will come towards different type of angle. The very first type is acute angle. Acute angle are those angles whose measure is between 0 and 90. For example, the angle of 30 degree, angle of 45 degree, angle of 15 degree, angle of 60 degree. Any angle between 0 degree and 90 degree is called acute angle. The second type of angle is called right angle. The right angle are those angles whose measurement is exactly 90 degree. For example, the angle formed at each corner of a square or a rectangle is a right angle, the angle with 90 degree. Similarly, one angle in a right angle triangle is of 90 degree. Due to this, the triangle is called right angle triangle. Now the third type of angle is obtuse angle. Obtuse angles are those angles whose measurement is between 90 to 180. That is, its measure is greater than 90 but less than 180 degree. For example, 120 degree, 105 degree, or such type of angles which are between 90 to 180 are called obtuse angle. The fourth type is called the straight angle. Straight angle are those angles whose measurement is exactly 180 degree. Straight example of a straight angle is a straight line. Then there is reflex angle. The measurement of reflex angle is between 180 to 360 degree. That is less than 360 but greater than 180, like 270, 190, and different angles that falls in the range between 180 to 360 degree. At 360 degree, the angle complete it one revolution. The one revolution of an angle is equal to 360 degree. These angle plays a very important role in our daily life. We can see these angle in different areas around us. Today in our class we will discuss different angles which you can see in the following image, which shows that these angles are important in our daily life and we see these angles practically in our daily life. Let's see any one of you can guess these angles or not. Here is the first angle. Can you guess? Yes, it's a straight angle, the angle of 180 degree. You can see clearly that it is a straight line making an angle of 180 degree. Now see carefully. These squares are making the angle less than 90 degree. That is, they are making an acute angle. So they are best example of acute angle in our daily life. The next one is the corner of a table. It is making a right angle. You can see the 90 degree angle at its corner. Similarly, if you see the corners of the stairs or a roof, these all are making the angle of 90 degree. That is called a right angle. In the last figure, you can see many angles. Here you can see a straight angle which is connecting the two towers. You can also see acute angle, and you can also see right angle between the straight angle and the tower. Find out the acute angle and tell me in the comments where you find the acute angle. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.